Welcome to Fibocan's YouTube channel. You have done the right decision in your life by coming into Fibocan's YouTube channel. Who is Fibocan? Fibocan is a wealth enabler. How do we enable wealth? We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, enabling students, investors to devise their own investment strategies through our comprehensive training programs and innovative investment strategies. So what do? We have published educational videos 1 to 16, module 1 to 16 in English and Tamil. The modules that start from basics of banking, capital market, investments, how to do investment, technical analysis, options, futures, then strategies of options and futures, and finally income tax on derivatives. To begin with, all these 16 modules are available both in English and Tamil. I would request you to go and select the appropriate playlist and watch all the videos and put your comments. So that is the step one. Every day we put videos about market commentaries. Please understand that we are not SEBI registered. Hence, we cannot give any recommendations. We will say whether it is looking good, technically sound, technically weak, has to be cautious. These kind of things we will give, but we will not give any price targets, or we will not give any stock recommendations. Only thing is that we are here to give technical education, imparting technical knowledge to anyone and everyone through our free educational videos, which we put every day on the daily markets, and during weekends we put about global markets. So I would request and encourage anyone in the age group of 17, 18, those who are studying in HSC, higher secondary or plus 2, to watch module 1 to 4, definitely either in English or Tamil, whichever language you understand out of these two languages. And anybody who is doing BA, BCom should watch up to module 8. And those who are doing MBA, CA, CFA or any professional or postgraduates should watch up to module 15. And for professional traders, it is ideally suited for them to watch module 16. I am sure that you will enjoy watching and enhancing your knowledge. Thank you very much. Today is December 7, 2023, Thursday. Option expiry for Nifty. First the levels, then we go into the power of technical analysis, then we can discuss in detail about various individual components of Nifty and BankNifty. FinNifty flat, BankNifty flat. FinNifty closed at 21,023.45, as flat as it can be. Yesterday it was 21,026 odd levels, just 3 points below. And Nifty, BankNifty also absolutely flat, 46,841.40. While Nifty closed 0.1% down or 20,901.15. So, if you recollect, yesterday what did we say? We said that all these indices formed the first reversal. Definitely Nifty formed a hanging man, and Bank Nifty and Fin Nifty formed a solid red candle. We had stated that it is definitely a first reversal, but first reversal should be ignored. That is what I always say. In fact, people can go and see my educational videos on candlesticks. Of course, anybody undergoing our training programs will know we have comprehensively cover all these things. That's okay. That is different. Okay. So, first reversal should be ignored. It is the second reversal where we can be ready, and third reversal is a confirmation. Normally, that is how it happens. Sometimes within the first reversal itself, it can reverse and go. That is different. It all depends on the overall picture, which is why one has to analyze daily, weekly, monthly, and various time frames. Then you will be able to know which is the first reversal to be ignored or which is the first reversal that should be considered. So we had yesterday itself clearly told that it is the first reversal which has to be, which is not a trend reversal but definitely a pullback and definitely a reversal candle that it formed. That is what we had stated yesterday. Also, the level for Nifty, we had said that upper level, we had said that one has to, because it is very difficult, because it is on such a uptrend and the going up without showing any exhaustion. Hence, anybody who wants to trade in this market has to trade very carefully, cautiously. How they can trade? They can trade cautiously by, we had said that by looking at where it opened, how it opened and various levels, then accordingly take position. That is why we didn't give the upper level. Whereas on the support we had given at previous week's high, we had said that it is way below. Hence, I will not claim much credit for it. In fact, internally we have a very tighter schedule basis which we trade. That's different. But we had given a previous week's high, which it never went there, right? That is what it is. What happened? Today, at the opening itself, Nifty showed that it is going to close lower. Why? At the opening, it showed two things. What are the two things? Yesterday, it formed a hanging man. After a significant uptrend, a hanging man, and the next candle, particularly if it opens gap down, normally it will close in the direction in which it has opened. We had said that many times in our educational video also, we have said. So today it opened the gap down. That's number one. Number two, it opened below the Bollinger Upper Band. That means today it is difficult for it to go above the Bollinger Upper Band. Unless, yes, it is still possible. I'm not saying it is not possible. The third confirmation came at the end of the first hour. How? What happened? At the first hour itself, it took the low of previous day's lows, that is yesterday's low. That's a very clear confirmation. One can close their eyes and do whatever they want, because it has given a clear signal what it is going to do today. What? It is not going to go above yesterday's close or yesterday's high. It will not close. It will not cross. Forget about closing above it. It will not touch it. That was very clear. That is what had happened. And also the upper band is below the Bollinger Upper Band is below the yesterday's close. So all these things are clear pointers. That's why I tell everyone, please learn technical analysis. That is the power of technical analysis. That is what we are explaining. We are articulating the power of technical analysis. So one has to be so detailed in technical analysis if one were to be successful in trading and taking trading as a profession. That is what had happened. So now what is going to happen? As I said, in the weekly chart, it has formed, it is also weekly also, it is above the Bollinger Upper Band. When it is above the Bollinger Upper Band, normally what happens, it will be a continuation candle, but in this month, we have another 15 or 20 trading sessions. Probably we can expect some sideways movement tomorrow also. Okay, because it had made a massive up move in the first 3 days of this week. Hence, now we will have some pullback or sideways movement tomorrow also. Don't expect fireworks tomorrow. That's what it is. Now, let's go into the individual components analysis. Banks, Yes Bank up 1%, IDFC First Bank fell 3%, while all others remained flat. 2 points here to be noted here. One is that HDFC Bank and SBI, both are SBI. HDFC Bank is above the 2022 close, and in the yearly chart it has formed a doji. I feel that it is going to close the year this way. So then what it means, in the yearly chart, if it forms doji, that means it is indecision. Anything can happen next year, right? SBI just below the 2022 close, it is just touching. So I feel that SBI also might close above the 2022 close. That is what is going to happen. So overall, Nifty is above more than 10%, while BankNifty is somewhere around 8%, and FinNifty is roughly around 9% up. So Nifty is, I think, 12% up, FinNifty is 9% up. So financials, Chola, L&T Finance, Shriram 1% down, IDFC 2% down. Jio, M&M, Manappuram and Muthoot 1% up, 1% up. Insurance and cards, ICICI Pru 1% down, SBI cards 2% up, LIC had a massive move of 5%. Yesterday also it had a massive move, today it followed it up. Oil and Telecom, Bharti 2% down, Reliance remained flat. In the IT, Infi, Intellect, LTIM 1% down, Apple and LTTS 1% up, others remained flat. In the consumer goods, Colpal, DMart, ITC, Trent 1% down, HUL down 2%, ABFRL, Bata, PVR, Titan 1% up, Berger and Page 2% up. Automobiles, Ashok Leyland, Eicher, Escorts, Maruti 1% up, TVS Motors 2% up. Metals, Hindalco, JSW, Tata Steel 1% down. Health and Pharma, Apollo Hospitals 1% down, Cipla, Dr. Reddy 1% up. Others, L&T, Eris, DLF 1% down, Delta Corp, Jubilant Food, Ultratech 1% up, Adani Ports, Havels, IRCTC, Polycab, Zomato 2% up, MCX 4% up. As always, for tomorrow there is no level, because tomorrow is the third trading session for FinNifty and for BankNifty second day, and Nifty it is the opening. So Monday will be in a position to give that. Weekends will give global market videos. Thank you very much for all your support.